Before you post another video on your channel, I want to show you what is killing your views. See, if you're a beginner, if you've been posting consistently, if you've been making videos on your channel, showing up, following the advice and the hacks, and your videos are still not getting views, at this point you want to give up, I want you to watch this video. I'm going to show you exactly what I just discovered. This is the reason why most small channels are not getting views, and I'm going to show you this in your YouTube studio. So before you make another upload on that channel, before you give up completely on your YouTube channel, I want you to stay with me on this video. I'm going to explain the reason behind your low views. And guys, make sure you watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to fix it immediately. I'm going to show you what you need to do, and YouTube will start pushing your video. See, this year you will get monetized. I'm going to show you everything I know that is going to help your YouTube channel to do well before the end of 2026. So guys, if you're seeing my face for the first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube the right way. You guys know the vibe. Make sure you genuinely support a creator before you leave this video. But then don't spam the comment section. If you spam it, I'm gonna delete your video. So at this point, I am talking too much. Let me take you guys step by step. Just relax. Just breathe in, breathe in, breathe in. Don't be in a hurry. I'm going to show you every single thing you need to know. And at the end of the video, we're going to get solution. Yes. So follow me. Let's get right into the video. So guys, just follow me step by step. You know how we do it on this channel. So I'm going to take you guys to the YouTube studio in your Chrome browser. Okay, we're not going to use the mobile app. So this is your mobile app YouTube studio. We're going to go through the Chrome version of your YouTube studio, because most of these advanced settings you can actually find them in your Chrome version. So you click on Chrome, that's your Google browser, it could be your Safari, whatever you use for your browser. So you're going to go through youtubestudio.com. If you've been following me on this channel, you already know how to do this. You just click youtubestudio.com. okay, so once you click on this, it will take you straight to the YouTube studio. You click to continue to studio. All right, so once you get here, this interface is going to appear on your screen. Okay, so this is going to appear for any channel. Even if you create your channel today, you're going to see your YouTube studio like this. It's going to appear like this. Okay, so quickly, let me zoom this closely. I'm using my phone to show you guys. Now I want you to look at the left hand side. All right, you see this icon right here. You see this one, this third icon here. Okay, I want you to click on it. This is your analytics. Follow me step by step. All right, once you click on this, your channel analytics will appear to you. All right, we're going somewhere. Just relax. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do to fix this low view problem. All right, so just stay with me on this video. Now, my channel analytics, YouTube is already telling me your hard work paid off. Publishing more helped your channel get 194% more views than usual. All right, so guys, if your channel is doing very poor, YouTube will also tell you your channel is doing poorly. If it's doing great, YouTube will tell you as well. So this is a very good sign for you to know what is going on in your channel. Now quickly, I want you guys to scroll down. You're going to see this part that says see more. All right, let me zoom this closely. I want you guys to see everything I'm going to talk about in this video. Now you click on see more. Okay, very good. So once you click on see more, follow me step by step. Don't be confused. Don't worry, we're getting there. Now you're going to see this part that says breakdown. I want you to click on it. You see this part, you click on this arrow right here, this arrow facing down, you click on it. Now once you click on it, automatically you're going to see a lot of options. You're going to see the first one is popular, the second one is content, the next one is traffic source, geography, and the rest of them. Now I want you to click on traffic source. You want to know where your views are coming from. So this is going to be the first thing we're going to do in this video. We're going to detect where your problem is coming from. Now click on traffic source. So once you click on it, automatically you're going to see this colored part of your studio. Let me zoom this closely. Now pay attention. Don't be confused. This is very simple. Now the first thing you see under your traffic source, you're going to see browse features. The next one is suggested videos. The next one, other YouTube features, and the list keeps going down. Now what I want you to look out for is browse features. Guys, I want you to look at this right now. look at your YouTube analytics and see where your major views are coming from. Now for Creative Blessing, this channel is getting more views from browse features. Guys, take a look at this. You can see from my browse features I got over 110,000 views, and the percentage here is 57%. So for a small creator, if you're a newbie, this may not be the same figure you will see in your analytics. I want you to know that if you're seeing your browse features topping your traffic source, it is a very good sign. That is the first thing you need to take note. So now if you see where your views are coming from and you notice browse features is number one, now let me break this down. Your browse feature is how YouTube is displaying your videos on the home page. Okay, so once you click on the YouTube app and you notice that your videos are popping up on other people's YouTube screen, their home page, that is browse feature. That's to say YouTube is actually recommending your videos. Let's say you're having another feature as your traffic source. It is a problem. That is exactly the reason why your channel is still struggling. Number one, we're going to fix the problem at the end of this video, but now let me show you guys. You see the next one, suggested videos, is over 31,000 views. The next one is other YouTube features. We have the next one, channel pages. Now these particular features, I'm not saying they are bad, but if they are topping on your traffic source, it is a problem. Now your browse feature needs to be number one. Now if you come down to this part, I have a lot of things that is actually giving me views on my channel. You're going to see here we have YouTube search, 4,975 views. That's to say people are actually searching the topics, the titles. That's why I tell you, if you're creating videos, create videos that are searchable, videos that people are looking for. Okay, now you see external socks is 1,453. Now you can see playlists, you can see end screens, you can see video cards. So you see guys, all of these things are giving views. So if you think you're going to ignore them, you don't want to create your playlist, you don't want to create your end screens, you're losing out on a lot of views. So guys, once you're done checking this part, the next thing I want you to do, I want you to go back to your YouTube dashboard site. Okay, now come back to this main page. Okay, follow me step by step. Don't be in a hurry, don't worry, we're going to fix this together. Now once you go back to the home page, I want you to click on the second icon. All right, you click on this. Good. Now once you click on this, you're going to see channel content. Now let's fix this together. I want you to pick one of your videos. Okay, so let me pick one of my videos. Let's pick this particular video right here. Good news, getting your 4,000 watch hour. If you're yet to see this video, you're missing out on a lot. Okay, so this video is going to help you to get 4,000 watch hour real quick. All right, now let me show you guys something you need to fix right now. Every time you want to upload your videos, just scroll down, you see this part, show more. You click on show more. Okay, so once you click on show more, just scroll down, take it gently, just keep coming down gently. Don't be in a hurry so you don't skip this feature. Very good. Now let me zoom this closely so you guys can see this. Now you see this part that says license and distribution. Pay attention, we're going to fix this. If you're just starting out on YouTube, if you don't have a lot of subscribers, if you have like 500 subs, maybe you have below 1,000 subs, you don't have a loyal audience, see, whenever you want to upload any video, I want you to always uncheck this part that says publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. Now listen, what this means, if you always turn this on and upload your video, you are trying to tell YouTube to notify your subscribers to publish to their feeds. Now if your subscribers do not watch your videos, let's say most of us who have a lot of subscribers that don't watch our videos, probably we got them from shorts, and you keep checking this particular feature, your views will continue to remain small because YouTube will test your videos the first 3 hours you upload them. You see, that first 3 hours is very crucial. If your subscribers are not watching, if your subscribers are not clicking, YouTube might end up burying that video. So if you're a beginner and this particular feature is always checked, you need to turn it off immediately, ASAP. Always make sure it is turned off. So now listen, Once you've built a loyal audience, once your audience are watching your videos, you know your audience will always click to watch your videos. Make sure you always check this. All right, now the reason why this is faintly showing, it is because I have already checked it. So after uploading your videos, you cannot change this setting. That is the bad side. Okay, so always make sure you control this setting before you click on publish, because after publishing your videos you can no longer make changes to this video. So before you make another video on your channel right now, make sure you always turn this off if you know you're very sure your subscribers are not going to watch your video. All right, so guys, this is going to help a lot of you guys, and I hope you do this really well on your channel. And tell me what you think in the comment section. If you're already doing this on your YouTube channel, let me know. So guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you're struggling to get your 4,000 watch hour, make sure you see this video. And if you're struggling to get your 1,000 subscribers, make sure you see this video as well. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Bye.